Alright, this is question number 2 on homework number 5. I'm on a train right now, so if you hear weird noises or announcements, just ignore those. So question number 2 says, what is the area of the whole triangle? Don't get confused by the extra numbers. When we're talking about area, we know it means the area of what the shape covers. So this entire space in here, we want to know how big it is. Area formula for a triangle is A equals 0.5 base times height. In this case, we have 4 different numbers, so we need to see which one is the base and which one is the height. If I turn my paper sideways and I look at the 6, if I were to treat the 6 as the base, I would have to go to the top of my triangle, drop a line straight down, and form that right angle. I don't have that measurement for height, so I can't use 6 as the base. If I were to turn the paper this way and use 12 as the height, again I would have to go to the top of the triangle, drop a line straight down, form that right angle, but I don't have that measurement either, so I can't use 12 as the base. So let's look at our final side, 14. If I use 14 as my base, I'm going to go to the top of my triangle, draw a line straight down, form a right angle, and sure enough I do have that measurement, which is 5. So I know I can use, whoops, train got a little bit bumpy. I know I can use 14 for my base and 5 for my height. So I'm going to come back to my formula here, and I'm going to plug in area equals 0.5. We said 14 is going to be our base, and we said 5 is going to be our height. Now normally I recommend multiplying your whole numbers first, but in this case 14 times 5 is not a math fact that we have memorized. So since these are all multiplication...
This is the Peoria station. Connections can be made here to the R line to Aurora, Centennial, and Lone Tree. Be aware, trains approach the station from both directions. Do not cross tracks when warning lights are flashing.
Okay, sorry about that train announcement. So since we have these are all multiplication because they're all touching each other, I would recommend doing 0.5 times 14. We have talked about in class that 0.5 is equivalent to half, so I can say half of 14. Half of 14 we know is 7, so this is going to be 7. I'm going to carry down everything else, A equals, and then I'm going to carry down my 5 still in parentheses.
Welcome aboard RTD Commuter Rail. This is the University of Colorado A line to Denver Airport Station.
So now I have 7 and it's touching the parentheses, and we know that that means multiplication. So all I have to do now is 7 times 5, we know that's 35, and my area is 35 something. If I look back at my picture, we don't have any units. We don't have feet, we don't have inches, we don't have meters, so we're just going to use units squared. This would be my final answer. Area of the triangle is 35 square units.